The Yale 4600LN requires several steps to install the outside lever. Please wear safety glasses when installing door hardware. The lever ships with the black lever filler already inserted. Remove the black lever filler. With the key removed from the cylinder, insert the cylinder into the lever slot and reinsert the black lever filler. While holding the black lever filler so it doesn't come out, insert the lever into the lock body slot. Insert the key into the cylinder while still holding the black lever filler. Turn the key clockwise to the 12 o'clock position and push the lever in. You will hear a click. This signifies the cylinder and lever installation has been successful. Here it is one more time. The outside lever installation is complete.